What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Goku Labubu. We're going to begin today's lesson in the center page with the bottom edge of the brow. Let's leave a gap in the center. We're going to start with the left side. Start from the very top. We're going to bend this down, go across and just curl that up on the end. Now from this point we're going to step over towards the right and go in the opposite direction. Coming down, across, and then bend that up. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. So we're going to draw an oval on the outside, step in to create a fold. Come down towards the bottom, round out the eye, and just tuck that in. Let's move over towards the right, do the same thing, coming down towards the same height, and then bend that up. Now we're going to push the pupils towards the right side. So starting from the top left, bend this down, and then across. Now I'm going to create that same gap over on the right, coming down, and then across. Let's add a highlight circle along the top left side of each pupil, going all the way around, and line it up on the right side. And then from the bottom right, draw a smaller circle, and I'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. From the bottom of the eyes, let's move to the center. We're going to start with a curve across the top of the nose. And then from the ends, we're going to bend the nose, coming down and in towards a point. And we'll fill the nose in black. Let's add some freckles across the top, starting with 2 points across the bottom, and then 1 in the middle. Now let's go all the way out to the side. We're going to draw that large mouth. From the outside of the left eye, we step out, curve this down, go across towards the middle, continue around the right side, and we'll bend that up. Let's add those large teeth. We're going to start with a gap in the center, coming down and then up towards the left. Go back to the center, coming down and then up towards the right. Now I want to continue to add these teeth going all the way up towards the top. So let's start with the left side. So just added 5 more teeth on the left. We'll add 5 more on the right. Now that we've drawn in the face, let's add the hair bangs coming down. So in the center, let's move over towards the right. We're going to start with a point. Let's add 1 large strand going across and then down on top of the left eye. Bend this out and then up. Let's add 1 coming down towards the right eye. Coming down with a bend. And then curl that back up and then out. Now I add 2 large sections of hair coming down the side of the head. So on the left side, let's step down, go all the way down towards a point, and bend this all the way around the side. Let's do the same thing on the right. From here, come around towards the mouth, and then bend that up. Let's draw that inner trim going around the face, starting on the left side, come down around the teeth, go across towards the middle. I'm just going to bend this all the way around the right side, and then tuck that up underneath the hair. Now I want to draw a fur edge going around the face. Let's start from the top left side, bend this around and then down. Now I want to add a point, so I'm going to curl this back up. Let's do the same thing on the right, going around towards the same height and then hooking that up. And we're going to work our way in towards the middle. Coming down and then up. Let's add another curve, coming down and then in. Now I want to leave a small gap in the center, just in between these lines. Let's continue to add the hair along the side of the head. We're going to start from the left side, we're going to bend this up and then out, line this up on the right. Going out, let's bend this in towards the side. Let's add another point. We're going to bend this up and then out, going a little bit longer. And I'll bend this in towards the side. Now there's 2 large sections in the middle bent over towards the left side. So let's start here. Bend this up and then out. Bend this up. Now I'm going to bring this down on top of the head to right about there. Let's add another one, that center section going up and then out. And we're going to go all the way around the side and then bring that down to right about there. It's going to round up the right side. Coming down. And now I'm just going to close this gap with another point, going out with a straight line, and we'll angle that back in. Let's add a couple more freckles around the corners of the mouth. So it's 2 points going around the side and then one in the middle. And then we'll go down and draw on the collar. Let's start on the left side, then it's down and in towards the center, go out and then up. Now in the middle of this section, we're going to add a curve for the edge of the shirt. Let's step down, draw the side of the body, and it's out and then down towards the hip. And do the same thing on the right. Now from the hip, we're going to step up and add a curve for the top of the belt. Let's add the knot in the center with 2 lines, and then we'll round out the bottom. Let's move up and draw the ends of the belt, starting from the left side, then it's out and then down. Just going to angle this off, and we want to pull this up and then in towards the bottom corners of the knot. Now we can tuck the belt in underneath. From here, step down, add a curve, coming down and then up. Let's leave a small gap in the center. We'll go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg, coming in and then out towards the bottom of the legs. And then round out the bottom, coming down and up towards the left and right side. Now let's go all the way back up to the hip. We're just going to curve the leg going out and then back in towards the bottom. Now we're going to add those pointy toes across the bottom. Let's start from the corner, come down and then up. Let's add 2 more points coming in. Let's do the same thing on the right, going out, and then we'll add 2 more. Let's go back to the right side of the chest. We're going to add a circle. And then go to the side of the body and draw the inside edge of the arm. So we're going to start halfway between the chin and the bottom of the belt. Just going to bend the arm coming down and out towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, coming down and up around that bracket. Step down, add the second finger. Now the third finger, we're going to go all the way around the side of the hand and then in towards the outside of the wrist. Let's bend the arms going up and then back in underneath the head. Let's separate the wrist from the outside to the inside with a curve going across. We'll step up and draw that same curve for the top of the wristband. Now we're going to add the sleeve across the top of the arm. Let's start from the left side. We're going to bend this down and in towards the side of the body. And we want to leave a little bit of an overlap. Step down and draw that again. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Goku Labubu. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.